When you teach a child the alphabet, you don't describe the curves of a letter. You show them an A, a B, and a C, then ask them to write a D. This split screen shows that same logic applied to artificial intelligence. On the left, we have human pattern recognition. On the right, an AI analyzes 3 input-output pairs to generate the fourth. Look at the highlighted text on the right. The AI is locking on to the recurring input-to-output pattern. By providing a handful of these structured examples, we steer the model's pre-existing knowledge toward a specific goal. This is few-shot prompting. These examples do not permanently train the AI. Instead, the pattern exists only within the context window of your current conversation. If you start a new chat, the AI resets to its baseline state. This technique builds a temporary, customized cognitive framework that dictates exactly how the AI processes your specific request. In zero-shot prompting, you assign a task directly with no examples. This forces the AI to rely entirely on its general training to guess the output you want. Here is the difference in practice. A zero-shot request for a product description yields the generic paragraph on the left. On the right, providing 2 examples with a specific bracketed call to action forces the AI to replicate that exact structure for every new item. The most efficient workflow is to start with a zero-shot prompt. You only upgrade to few-shot when the output requires a specific brand voice or a complex format. Adding these examples increases your token count. In every session, you are balancing the need for structural control against the available memory of the chat session. Zero-shot works for simple fact retrieval, but few-shot is necessary for maintaining consistent structure at scale. We evaluate our examples against 5 principles: representativeness, diversity, quality, consistency, and relevance. Notice the consistency node flashing. If your input-output formatting isn't identical across every example, the AI will fail to recognize the pattern. One-shot prompting uses exactly one example, serving as a quick structural template. But this carries a risk of overfitting. If your example includes a specific detail, like the number 10, the AI might blindly duplicate that exact integer into every future answer. To fix this, we use multi-shot prompting with 2 to 10 examples. This volume allows the AI to see variations in the data and deduce the unwritten rules of the task. For logic-heavy tasks, we use the chain of thought technique. By embedding the step-by-step reasoning inside your examples, you force the AI to think aloud. Expanding the math steps in the prompt helps the model arrive at the correct answer more reliably. This shift from one-shot to multi-shot moves the AI from simple formatting mimicry to executing complex contextual rules. In an industrial context, 5 well-structured examples allow an e-commerce business to generate 500 product descriptions that maintain a strictly uniform brand voice. This sorting tree demonstrates data categorization, routing Chennai Super Kings and Apple into sports and tech buckets. Furthermore, few-shot provides architectural control. A single summary example forces the AI to condense any long-form article into a strict color-coded structure. This technique takes high-friction manual tasks and replicates them with mathematical precision. Your tactical progression is straightforward. Use zero-shot for simple retrieval, one-shot for basic formatting, and multi-shot for complex logic. High-quality examples lead directly to high-quality output. Because the AI follows your pattern blindly, any errors in your examples will be repeated. Data points must be strictly formatted and diverse to prevent a garbage-in, garbage-out failure. Remember that this is a session-based tool. The AI relies entirely on the specific template you provide within the immediate conversation. Mastering few-shot prompting provides a reliable method for controlling AI behavior with engineering-level precision.